fellow scrappers. Today we're going to be scrapping out this awesome looking tower fan. Yay! So we'll start with these really sexy looking buttons here, followed by these really attractive Ferris screws, this beautiful plastic thingy that I'm going to throw away, and it looks like a copper bearing motor. But wait, there's more! There's another copper bearing motor right there. Woohoo! We're going to take it all apart. Yes, we are. We sure are. There's some more screws on the outside there. And the cord, of course, and that beautiful brass in that plug. Let's get started! For those of you watching any of my videos for the first time, welcome to the Gil Skillz channel. My name is Bob. My channel is basically about DIY and the empowerment that it brings to those that didn't think they could do something previously, but ended up finding out that they are more than capable. It builds self-esteem, it builds your pride, it expands upon your knowledge base, and ultimately, it makes for a stronger community, because once you've acquired the skill to do something, you can pay it forward and show someone else how to do it as well. That's why my YouTube channel exists, to pay all the skills and knowledge that I've attained forward. The great thing about YouTube is you can post a video on a skill set that you have, and your viewers will comment and possibly offer great ideas on how to improve that particular skill. As all YouTube creators know, it doesn't always work out that way. But you do have some loyal viewers that express their genuine concerns and their genuine ideas that do make things better, which is a fantastic relationship between YouTube creator and your viewers. If I were to look at all the videos that I've posted on YouTube thus far, the majority of them, as you'll see, are scrapping videos. It's a great way to make money. But I also have videos on how to repair your vehicle. I have videos on how to improve your home. I have some repurposing projects. I'm showcasing other people's skills. I guess what I'm trying to say is I try to keep my content diverse so that it appeals to a multitude of people. I recently learned from a couple of my viewers that they enjoy watching the motorcycle rides that I take with my GoPro. As a result, another playlist was created for that purpose. There's really not that much to them. We've got our metal. I threw all the plastic out, but we've got our metal that's going to go in our shred/light iron pile. So that's that there. We've got a copper bearing motor here. We've got some wire here, and we've got some more wire here, and we've got a little bit of brass there that I'll be taking out of the plug. That's your short scrapping session for an upright fan. I know it's not scrappers' favorite things to scrap, but I know some people might be interested in doing so, so I thought I'd take a few moments and take one apart and show you what that looks like. Forgot to add that bad boy in there as well. So this is a copper bearing motor as well. You could take some time and take the copper out by hand, and the copper ultimately would be worth a little bit more, separated from the light iron. But some people don't like to take the time and just sell it like that. You get less per pound, but obviously there's more weight because of the metal. So there it is in a nutshell, guys. Always remember, you have the power to do things yourself. If you have the desire to do something yourself, to save some money or to make a little extra money or whatnot, the knowledge is always out there. So please like, comment, and share and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And until the next time, I'll see you on the next video.